The rain has finally let up a bit. Let's check on Mama. She's always very vigilant. I can never make it to the door before she sees me. She let me open the door this time. But she has that tail up, ready to take off. The movement of putting my phone away must have frightened her, because she took off the moment I lowered my arms. Or maybe she saw my face, which usually runs the ladies off quick enough. 5 is best I can tell. Hopefully, all 5 make it to maturity. I enjoy having lots of birds singing.